Hi Jan, thanks for showing us around Sharp today.
Marina, welcome to Sharp. Come in.
Can you describe Sharp in one sentence?
We bring world-class technology to Kiwis, communities, businesses and people.
And why Sharp? Where did that name come from?
Our founder in 1915, Tukuji Hayakawa, invented the mechanical pencil. Revolutionary invention at the time. It was known as the Ever Sharp pencil, and that is where our name originated from.
Wow, Sharp's obviously come a long way since then. Can you tell me more what drives the business forward?
It has to be the vision. It started with our founder who dreamt of making products others wish to imitate, and that has inspired those that have followed him and has resulted in our business motto, sincerity and creativity.
What does that mean?
Yeah, well, sincerity means building trust. You can't get to 110 years of age without trust. Creativity is thinking of today, of what you need for tomorrow, and going back to our founder's dream, making products that others wish to imitate.
Cool. This building is super impressive. Where are we right now?
Well, so we are in Auckland, in Penrose, in our custom-built building that we had specifically designed for us in 2002. But we have other offices all around New Zealand, so we can look after everybody in New Zealand, wherever they are.
Awesome. What makes Sharp's technology stand out in New Zealand?
So we have been pioneering in manufacturing, innovating and collaborating with the world's best to bring technologies to the world for 110 years. And we have bringing these world-class technologies to Kiwis for 50 years, half a century.
Wow. Is that a Sharp product behind you?
Yes, it is. This is our new welcome kiosk. This is an automated sign-in system with facial recognition. So once you've signed in once, it'll remember you. Ideal for clients and our visits and also for staff.
Awesome. Can I look at your other products?
Oh, of course. Follow me into the showroom.
What's the most exciting thing about working at Sharp, Jan?
Oh, it has to be the technology. It's constantly changing. Come on in.
Wow, look at all these displays.
So this is our 8K Pro Consumer TV. 8K means it is the top of the class for quality. The clarity is exceptional.
Speaking of TV, what's one TV show you loved growing up?
Oh, it has to be the Flintstones. Love that show. So, and over here we have our Windows collaboration panel. It comes with a built-in camera, speakers and connects seamlessly to any visitor's laptop. Perfect for presentations, brainstorming and video conferencing. Hey Rob, that's coming along really well, that document, isn't it? Would you mind flicking me a copy, emailing me a copy? Brilliant, thank you. Great, so just give me a minute, I'll just print that. Great. Thank you.
Oh.
So,
what's Sharp's most popular product in New Zealand?
Oh, it has to be our multifunctional printers. We are celebrating 50 years of this technology this year, which is incredibly exciting. So here is one of our multifunctional printers. Brand new range, just been launched. New colour, the dark grey, which I'm loving. 10-inch screen, digital display screen, and also a very convenient keyboard for any of your email scanning. Oh, sorry, I just clicked my document.
Oh, fantastic.
Thank you.
I can see some microwaves over there. What makes Sharp's microwave unique?
Yeah, so in 1962, we manufactured the first convection microwave. So we have been pioneering this technology for a long time. So over here is our range, quite a significant range in multiple colours and different styles.
What's your favourite thing to make in the microwave?
Well, it has to be the family favourite, my beef casserole. You can see it online, I've got the recipe online, and also we have other fabulous recipes online for you to use in your microwaves as well.
Cool, we'll check it out. If you didn't work for Sharp, what do you think you'll be doing?
Oh, I'd definitely be travelling the world with my husband, experiencing all those wonderful cultures and different ways of living. But I tell you what, I'd be pretty back in New Zealand pretty smartly and back in the technology game pretty fast.
Is there anything else we're not seeing in here?
Yes, we do have a whole range of software and voice and internet services. And these offerings were incredibly important to businesses during the pandemic, enabling them to work remotely and also to be able to connect and collaborate together.
And finally, what's the next exciting product release we can look forward to?
Our air purifier, it's arriving this month. It's on a boat right now. It's going to keep the indoor air clean and safe. It removes smells, dust particles, and even some viruses. So you feel like you're in the forest inside. It's fabulous.
Can't wait. Well, thank you so much for having us, Jan. Have a great day.
Thank you. Well, thank you very much for stopping in. And come back again soon. See you later.
See ya.
See ya.